Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of Linear Algebra asked in csirnet Feb 2022. So our question is, let A be 4x4 matrix such that -1, 1, 1, -2 are the eigenvalue. If B is equals to A power 4 minus 5A raised to 2 plus 5I, then trace of A plus B equals to, and these are the options. So as A have eigenvalue -1, 1 and -2. So the eigenvalue of B is equals to -1 square plus this is 1 and then 1 put is here, then is 1 and then also 1, and for -2 minus raised to power 16, 16, 20 and plus 1, then is also 1. So A have eigenvalue 1, 1, 1 and B has eigenvalue 1, 1, 1 and A has eigenvalue -1, 1, 1 and -2. So eigenvalue of A plus B is equals to 0, 1, 2, -1. So here we have to find the trace of A. So trace of A plus B is equals to sum of the eigenvalue. So trace of A plus B is equals to what? Is equals to sum of eigenvalue of A plus B. So what is the trace? That is 2 plus -1 plus 0, that is equals to 3. So our answer C is correct. That is trace of A plus B is equals to 3. So this is the solution. If you like this video, then hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.